They're back! I haven't seen these butterflies in my garden for a number of years. I'm talking about these beauties, painted ladies. They make an incredible journey. They take a multi-generational journey from tropical Africa and southern Europe to northern areas like Britain. Every year, under favourable conditions, they arrive in large numbers during the summer and depart in the autumn. I took these videos this afternoon, the 16th of May, but I'm including some videos I took in September 2019 when I had a number feasting on the sedum in the front garden in September. Each year varies, and a noticeable year was 2009 when radar data revealed that around 11 million painted ladies arrived in the UK in the spring, with 26 million leaving in the autumn. So 15 million were bred here. See how they unroll their proboscis to feed? And also how they bat their wings to fend off the bees. The marvels of nature. And I'll see you next time in Paul T's World. Bye.